with respect and humility. For the game doesn't only enhance physical skills, but it also enhances one's self-confidence and self-esteem. In the end, it doesn't matter who came on top.